How to solve couldn't load high image resolution on Messenger. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. So this might be because of your unstable internet connection, so just check your internet connection if it's stable or not. If it is not, then you can choose your mobile data as well. After that, what you can also do is go to the very setting option, and from there go to the app option right here. After choosing the app, search for the Messenger application. Now tap on the Messenger application, go and scroll till the very down, tap on the storage option, clear all the data and clear all the cache now. And again, update your Messenger application from the Google Play Store and try to open your emails from the Messenger. Now your problem should be solved by now. If it does not solve, then you better go on the report a problem option and report a problem to the Facebook Messenger, and it will give you feedback after a few hours to few days, and your problem should be solved by then. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.